Alright guys, how's it going? January 30th, and some exciting stuff is happening today in the markets, and we're going to get right into it. But first, if you have not already done so, please subscribe to the channel. I did hit my goal of 300 subscribers, so thank you very much. The new goal is 1,000 subscribers. That would be awesome. I'm trying to get there by the end of next month, so I really do appreciate it when everyone subscribes. I get a little notification, I see who it is, and I just appreciate it. So hopefully these videos give you some value, and I'm going to be making some moves. So I'm going to get into that. S&P had a great day, right? So we're looking at SPY here on the daily time frame. Nice green candle, up a good bit. Whew. SPY is not the main reason why I'm excited, though. Yes, we did break past a, we're just confirming the next leg up on the bulls. So bulls are in control right now. We're seeing, more upside. Just want to zoom into the hourly time frame. Yeah, broke past both these resistance levels. So we need to kind of see some more follow through tomorrow. Hopefully this is just a bull flag, and we'll push up with some conviction tomorrow morning. But Apple. So after hours, I didn't see this yesterday, but after hours, guys, Apple just ran up. So this is important because, as I've mentioned before, I really wanted to see Apple push above this level. We completely destroyed that. We gapped up right above that level. So I am bullish Apple. This is a really strong sentiment from the bulls. I mean, this is the bulls basically giving all the bears the middle finger right now, saying, it's our time to go. So what this does, this isn't dump all your money in Apple mode right now. What this is it's shifting the probability significantly, in my opinion, that the bulls are going to see follow through throughout in the near future, right? So yes, we did puncture through today. We could even see a few more days of upside, but ultimately I think daily consolidation will happen, and we'll have to form a clear daily higher low. And once that's established, I am balls to the wall. Going to be going in Apple, maybe a few other names, but probably in the long-term retirement position just so I can hold it for a long time. But, I'm very happy that we broke past this level. And again, congrats to anyone who has been accumulating this over the past couple weeks, because you are up now, and congrats. But anyway, I'm very excited again because we did beat this level. And yes, we surpassed this previous lower high with that little bump there, but, it came down, couldn't quite get above it, going sideways, and then boom. Strong finish today. Good job. I will certainly be keeping an eye on Apple. Amazon. Daily time frame. Amazon. Good green day today. Nice strong finish. I wasn't too bullish on Amazon. We did break this key level of support that we had to hold. We just barely broke it, and then boop, gapped up open, and obviously with Amazon, the real resistance coming up is 1716, so that's going to be a big test. And if we can beat that, then there's a double top over here, which is probably a bigger level of resistance in my opinion. But we'll see. Maybe Amazon can really turn it around. I wasn't too favorable in Amazon, but we'll see what these bulls can do. Facebook. I am getting bullish on Facebook again. It's not as strong as I feel about Apple, because Apple just had that huge day today. But, we did beat this previous level of resistance. That was just another daily lower high. So, daily downtrend pattern, clear pattern. This is the start of a potential change. So, this, like Apple, it increases the probability that bulls are trying to take control back, and we just need to establish that higher low and continue to the upside. So, right now, green day today, obviously, a lot of bull volume. Wow. Okay, decent amount past, more than the past month or so. But next resistance is going to be 152.43. And yeah, we'll see if we can beat that. And if we can, then we could probably go up a little bit. So, yeah, I'm getting bullish on Facebook as well. I am starting to like how this is looking. And we'll see if we can really establish a higher low. So that's what I'm going to be keeping an eye out for. Netflix. Good day today too. Okay, so this is nicely above the middle Bollinger Band. Looks like we could turn up, and worst case scenario, I would say, just forming a lower high on the daily time frame. So this could be a drawn out daily equilibrium. So here would be the top, here would be the bottom. So we could be just looking to establish a lower high relative to this high over here, right? So lower high, then it might curl back down, and it would have to form a higher low in comparison to this low down here. So that, that could certainly be shaping out for Netflix. The bulls could have some more upside, but be cautious. Just keep an eye out for that. Zoom into the hourly with Netflix. Yeah, so we did beat this level of resistance briefly. We'll see how much farther we can go. Like I said, next level of resistance would be, the high of the run-up all the way up here, which is around 358.70. So a little ways to go. Oil. I was watching this, and I got a notification on my phone saying that we beat that key level of 54.54. So I'm very excited about that. I did beef up my UWT position as well, but it may have been a little early. Now let me explain that. We closed pretty much right 54.41, right? So we closed pretty much at that level. Yes, we did puncture through, but we've seen this in the past, guys, where we might puncture through a resistance level, but if we get no follow through and actually start selling off, and that's a fake out. Yes, I did buy into that position because ultimately I do believe this will play out over time, but just something to keep an eye on. I do have a larger position now, but we'll see if we can get more follow through on the daily time frame with the bulls. Gold saw some insane follow through actually. So this is the daily time frame, and I mean, look at that follow through. So if you are in was it JNUG, the leverage ETF, this is the junior miners. Okay, so I mean, junior miners have seen an amazing past few days. I'm sure the regular gold miners have too. I think it's NUGT. Is that it? Bull? Yeah. So, okay, so this is the bull miners. They've seen a huge move. 16 to 20. Okay. Yes, I mean, that's, if you're in gold, obviously, really big move. Good job. I don't really play gold, but just something to keep an eye on, huge bull action, and some daily consolidation is not out of the question. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just, there's UWT. I do think potentially $20, could be the target. So if I'm right, I'll be up a little over 33%. And it's not that big of a position, so it's really, it is a high-risk trade because it's leveraged ETF. But, we'll see. See if I'm right. Anyway, congrats to the bulls. Apple, good job. This is just a beautiful follow-through on the chart. And, if I were a long-term investor, I would probably start to accumulate positions now rather than just accumulating as it goes down. Start accumulating now as the trend is trying to change on the daily time frame. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you again for watching, and please do subscribe if you have not already. We'll tune in tomorrow. See ya.